One's on 45 Ops 1, Battalion 1, Rescue 1, Medic 1, Ladder 1, Ladder 2, Medic 2, Engine 3, Medic 3, Chief 2, Medic 4, Engine 391, Engine 201, Rescue 201, Engine 541, at Shackleford's disposal, 2097 Mount Vernon Road on a working commercial structure fire.
Ladder 2 fire control, good.
Johnson.
Station 540 clear on the run.
Station 540 clear on traffic.
Battalion 1 fire control.
Battalion 1, go ahead.
I'm on the scene. Battalion 1 will have Mount Vernon command. I'm going to be out conducting a 360 of the building.
Battalion 1, man, on the scene. Battalion 1 has command, I'm doing a 360.
We're going to need the police here for traffic control. Ladder 2, I want you to pull 2.5-inch line.
Back to command, you have an assignment for us.
Ladder
2 clear for 2.5 attack.
They said, okay. I don't know what you want to do from there. I don't know if you can that. There's nobody inside.
Rescue 1 to command, you want supply? Rescue 1, lay a supply line to ladder 2. They're pulling a 2.5-inch line. Medic 2, I want you to assist ladder 2. Medic 2, copy, assisting ladder 2. Commander Fire Control, you can power company here.
Clear, clear, draws to be advised, PD is off and route.
Rescue 1 to command. Good. What assignment do you want from us? Our driver has water supply. Grab a stall and get this garage door open. Bring a stall to the garage door, it's clear. Ladder 1's on scene. Greg, Ladder 1 command, you have an assignment. Bring a saw and some pipe poles to the front of the building so we can get access into the building. Copy, saw and pipe poles to the front of the building. Fire Control Chief 1's on the scene.
Chief 1 on scene.
Fire Control to Mount Vernon Road command. Good.
Command, do you have the road blocked? Do you have Medic 391 coming to the city from mutual aid? There might be taking 13. Do they need to divert on Orange Hill Road?
The road is blocked.
You're clear. We're diverting the ambulance to go Horns Hill, Mount 13.
Engine 541, fire control around.
541 and out. Fire control, Mount Vernon Road Command. Newark PD is asking where to check the road shutdown.
At 21st Street, Mount Vernon.
You're clear, sir. 21st Street, Mount Vernon.
Rescue 1, crew, full second, 2.5-inch line. Rescue 1, copy. Full second, 2.5-inch line. We also have people open a couple doors.
Hey, how far out are you?
Mount Vernon and Dio.
Okay, you want to take 21st? I'll head up and shut down anything coming southbound.
Alright, Mount Vernon, 21st.
Yep.
Yep. Engine 3 to command. We're on the scene. Where would you like us? Engine 3, report up to Rescue 1 and stand by for a second. Copy, report to Engine. Rescue 1 and stand by. Medic 3 is on scene 2. Medic 3, you will be the EMS sector. Clear on EMS sector. Rescue 1 to command, we got the door open. Alright, I want a 2.5 off of Rescue 1 in that door. Command, all units on the fire ground. This is going to be a defensive fire. I do not want any units making entry. Repeating, this will be a defensive fire. Rescue 1. Charge 1. Charge 2.5. Command of fire control, I also need I-20.
You're clear, sir. Also, ET has been notified with no ETA.
Command of fire control, would you put Madison Township on standby, please?
You're clear, sir. Putting Madison Township on standby.
Rescue 2 on command. We're approaching your scene. You got an assignment?
Rescue 2-1 just staged for right now. I should have a containment on this momentarily.
Copy, sir. Fire control. Rescue 2-1's on scene.
Rescue 2 on scene. Break. Fire control, Mount Vernon Road Command. You need them down central.
That's affirmative.
You're clear, sir.
Mount Vernon Road Command, Engine 201's on scene. We'll be staging with Rescue 201.
Engine 541.
Attention Rescue 101,
Mount Vernon Road
101.
Command.
You're needed.
We are currently staging behind
Newark
Engine
Station
201.
175
Let us know if you need anything else.
Attention Rescue 101, Medic 101. You're needed for station standby at Newark Fire Station 1, 75 South 4th Street.
Engine 541. 2 fire control. On scene.
541 on scene.
Mount Vernon Road Command, Fire Control.
Command, go ahead.
You can contain this fire on Mount Vernon Road. Tie up the Newark unit and the 1 Newton engine. Everybody else can be in service.
You're clear, sir. Fire control to responding units or units on scene at shock first disposal 2097 Mount Vernon Road. Command has situation contained, tying up all Newark units in Newton Township Engine 391. All our companies in service.
Command Engine 541, can you assist on the Hillview Circle run?
to command. Can you repeat?
Fire control to engine 541. Can you switch to 45 EMS?
Rescue 201. Command. Good. Sir, can we go ahead and stand by on station 1 for you? That would be awesome. Chief 1 is on his way to station 1 to let you guys in. Copy. Command and Fire Control.
Command, go ahead.
I'm also going to need a salt truck to head this direction. We got a lot of water on the ground.
You're clear, sir. Notifying Street Department. Also be advised, I-20 is not available.
Okay, would you check with the other investigators on the list?
You're clear, sir.